Meet Atmosphere Connect, the companion app for your Atmosphere Mini, which lets you control and monitor your indoor air quality from anywhere, anytime. Download and install Atmosphere Connect app on your phone. You can easily log into the app by creating your account in a few easy steps. Create your account by entering your mobile number and password. Enter the verification code which will be sent to your mobile number. You are ready to sign in with your password. If you are new to Amway and not registered, then press No. Input your first name and last name and continue with further steps to complete the sign-in. If you are a registered Amway Direct seller or preferred customer, press Yes to link your existing Amway account. Enter your registered details like ADS or PC number, date of birth and email address. Enter the verification code which will be sent to your email address. The details of your existing account will show up on the screen. Continue with further steps to complete the sign-in. Awesome! You have successfully logged into the Atmosphere Connect app. Now click on Add Unit to connect your Atmosphere Mini unit. Keep your unit nearby and the app will find the unit with Bluetooth. Ensure your phone Bluetooth is on. Make sure you have your unit switched on. Tap the fan button on your unit. To get the best overall experience, make sure you connect your unit with Wi-Fi. In case your unit is only connected via Bluetooth, then you will have access limited features in the app. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter its password. Your unit is now connected. Personalize your unit by giving it a nickname. Your unit is connected to be used remotely with the app. Welcome to the home page which shows details of the outdoor air quality and your unit. Click on the top left corner to learn more about your unit and access customer support and settings information. You can monitor the outside air quality and the concentration of various pollutants in the air. Powered by Breezometer, the block level accurate information lets you make an informed decision on the air you breathe when outside. Click on Forecast to check the outdoor air quality for the next 3 days. Traveling. You can search to know the outdoor air quality of any location globally. The unit title displays information of the mode, inside air and filter. Click on the filter icon to know more about filter life and filtration process. Inside air helps you monitor your unit's reactiveness to the change in indoor air quality. From here you change the mode to night, auto and control the fan speed of your unit. You can also turn your unit on or off using the power button. Click on the settings on the top right corner to go onto the unit details, which will assist you in getting a comprehensive view of your unit like name and location, registration and warranty, and certifications and others. The Usage tab helps you view information regarding the runtime of your unit in different modes. Now you are all set to explore and control your unit. We believe quality of air is quality of life.